Pcs.com. Learn how to repair your broken iPhone.
In this video, we're going to show you how to install a 3D holographic screen protector for the iPhone 4 or iPhone 4S. The first thing you want to do is clean the surface of the iPhone. Make sure there's no dust or dirt on the top of the screen. When applying the screen, remove the top layer and try to make it as flat as possible on top of the surface. This will reduce the amount of dust and air bubbles. As you can see, she has a few air bubbles on the front. So we'll need 2 pieces of Scotch tape, a piece to hold up the screen, and a second to reach underneath and grab any dirt or dust inside. Okay. As you can see, there's no air bubbles or dust inside of the screen. For the back glass, it's pretty much the same process. Remove all the dirt from the back of the phone and try to apply the screen as flush as you can. This is the easiest way of installing a screen cover. Most people, they try to use water or different kinds of soaps, something like that. It's not necessary. All you need is 2 pieces of Scotch tape, and you can remove any dust or dirt.